Imagine taking 100 trades, knowing that your next trade could lose, and feeling absolutely nothing. No fear. No excitement. No hesitation. Most traders think that's impossible. But according to Mark Douglas, that's exactly how consistently profitable traders think. And here's the shocking part. The reason you're struggling probably isn't your strategy. It's the way you think. Today, I'll show you 5 life-changing lessons from Mark Douglas that transformed the way thousands of traders approach the market. Lesson 1: Anything can happen. Imagine flipping a coin. Heads. You make $500. Tails. You lose $100. Would you be scared to flip it? Probably not. Because you know that over time, you'll make money. Mark Douglas believed trading works the same way. Every trade is simply one event in a long series of events. The problem is, beginners treat every trade like it's the most important trade of their life. One loss feels like failure. One win feels like proof they're a genius. But professionals don't think like that. They understand something powerful. Anything can happen on the next trade. That doesn't mean your strategy is broken. It means probabilities are playing out. Once you truly accept that, fear begins to disappear. Lesson 2: Stop trying to predict the market. Most traders wake up asking, "What will the market do today?" Wrong question. The better question is, if my edge appears, will I execute it? Notice the difference. One focuses on prediction. The other focuses on execution. You cannot control where the market goes. You can control whether you follow your plan. Every time you try to predict, you become emotionally attached. And when the market proves you wrong, your ego gets involved. That's when traders move stop losses, average into losers, or refuse to exit. The market isn't attacking you. It's simply doing what markets do. Lesson 3: The 4 most dangerous emotions. Mark Douglas often described 4 emotions that quietly destroy traders: fear, greed, hope, and regret. Fear stops you from entering. Greed makes you risk too much. Hope keeps you holding losing trades. Regret makes you chase the next move. Think about your last losing trade. Was it really your strategy that failed? Or was one of these emotions making decisions? Professional traders don't eliminate emotions. They simply stop allowing emotions to make trading decisions. Lesson 4: Confidence doesn't come first. Many beginners believe, "I'll execute confidently once I start winning." But Mark Douglas taught the opposite. Confidence is earned through repeated disciplined actions. Imagine going to the gym once. Would you expect to become strong? Of course not. The same applies to trading. Every time you follow your rules, you're strengthening your trading mind. Even if that trade loses, winning doesn't build confidence. Following your process does. Lesson 5: Think in probabilities. This might be Mark Douglas' greatest lesson. Stop thinking trade by trade. Start thinking series by series. Imagine your strategy wins 45% of the time. If you lose 3 trades today, does it mean your strategy stopped working? No. Those losses were always part of the statistics. Every casino understands this. Casinos don't panic after 10 people win, because they trust the probabilities over thousands of games. Mark Douglas believed traders should think exactly the same way. You're not managing one trade. You're managing hundreds of future trades. That's the mindset that creates consistency. If there's one lesson you remember from this video, let it be this: the market isn't your enemy. Uncertainty isn't your enemy. Losses aren't your enemy. Your biggest enemy is expecting certainty. In a world built on probabilities. Once you accept that, trading becomes surprisingly peaceful. You stop chasing perfection. You stop fearing losses. And you finally start thinking like a professional. Mark Douglas once helped thousands of traders realize that success isn't about predicting the market. It's about mastering yourself. So here's my question for you. Which lesson hit you the hardest? Number 1. Anything can happen. Number 2. Stop predicting. Number 3. Control your emotions. Number 4. Confidence comes from discipline. Number 5. Think in probabilities. Comment the number below. And if you're serious about becoming a disciplined trader, subscribe to PsychoTrade. Every week, we break down the psychology behind consistent trading success, not just strategies, but the mindset that makes them work.